Hey guys, Monday, January 13th. Looking at the Astro Excel chart for the week coming up, we had green line high right after midnight. Now we're pushing down all the way through today into Tuesday, right near 1400 hour, where we bottom out on the green line. We get a push back up into Wednesday, 1400 Wednesday, around the -5 area. It pushes back down again, bottoms out Thursday morning here at 6 a.m., and then we're pushing up through the rest of that day and then into the weekend. The spikes, we got a few spikes late at night, Monday, midnight Tuesday morning rather. We get a big spike low at 7 a.m. Tuesday. And then at 1500 Tuesday, a spike high. So three big spikes Tuesday. Wednesday, we've got the spike low at 3 a.m. Another energy shift at 11. And then we're all the way up to the 20 line on the blue line at 2000 hours on Wednesday. Thursday, we've got the 6 a.m. spike. Then we have a spike at 1800 at the session open. And then the last one will be Friday at 3 a.m. here at the +16. So that's what the Astro Excel pressure looks like. Looking at the market, we've got the continuing sell-off overnight. We'll see what happens. We don't have any key timing windows on the Vedic this morning, so we'll be watching the PH and the Cosmo and looking at how we react to that. Anyhow, this will be the first full trading week in 3 weeks. We had the 2 holiday weeks, then we had the funeral for Carter, and then we're going to have a full trading week this week, and then next week we have the MLK holiday Monday.